Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add bleed in Canva. Adding bleed ensures that our design prints perfectly to the edge without any unwanted white borders. We will walk you through each step on how to enable and use bleed in our Canva projects. Now, let's get started. On the Canva editing dashboard, we can update settings by going to the File option in the upper left part of the dashboard. Just click File, go to Settings, and then click Show Print Bleed. As we can see, there is now a square of lines shown. This acts as our guide to resize the page so it fits perfectly with the print size. All we need to do is right-click the page, then click Edit or Resize Page. Please note that only premium users can access this feature. After editing, just click Share and Download to save it as a PDF. Once the download is finished, we can see it has been saved. Here it is in PDF form. We cannot edit the text here, but we can go ahead and print the PDF file. And that's it. We have successfully added bleed to our Canva design. Now we can print materials that look professional and polished.